Meaning of the various words in preamble. Sovereign means supreme or independent. Sovereignty has two dimensions, external and internal. India is both internally and externally sovereign. External sovereignty means the sovereignty in international law, which means the independence of the state against other states. Internal sovereignty. Internal sovereignty is the right of a nation to be free of internal force of disruption to its rights and freedoms to exercise the internal governance of its society and territories.